In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an audio button within your Google Docs document so that you can be able to have the AI read the document directly or convert text to speech. So let's say we are on a particular document here within my Google Docs. So all I need to do is to come to insert, and then I can go to audio buttons, and you can see listen to tab. So I can just go ahead and click to start listening to what is contained in here.
Mind map prompts for Gemini. Prompt: radial infographic mind map transformation, more professional/modern. Transform the provided visual content into a radial infographic style conceptual map centered around a single core idea. 1. Structure: build the output as a balanced branching diagram. Place the main concept at the
Now this is how to convert this to a text. You can have the AI read completely the whole text through, and then you can be able to change the voice. If you want to change the voice maybe to someone else, maybe a male voice or another female voice, you can do that as well. You can select from the different voice: explainer, coach, motivator, persuader, teacher, and narrator, as well as educator. Okay, so you can select any one of them. Narrator, and once you say select this,
Mind map prompts for Gemini. Prompt: radial infographic mind map transformation.
you can be able to click and move this to any section of the whole thing that you may want to increase the speed. At the moment is ×1. You can increase it up to ×2 or decrease it depending on what you want to actually create. Okay, so you can send feedback, report abuse, and insert the audio button in the whole thing. Again, you can insert another one. Right, so if you found this helpful, please leave a like.